In a vine-covered shack in the mountains, bravely fighting the battle of time, is a dear one who's wed his life's sorrow, is that silver-haired daddy of mine. If I could recall all the holidays, dear old daddy, I caused you to bed. If I could erase those lines from your face and bring back the gold to your hair, if God would but grant me the power to turn back the pages of time, I'd give all I own if I could be a stone to that silver-haired daddy of mine. I know it's too late, dear old daddy, to repay for the heartaches and care, but dear mother is waiting in heaven just to comfort and solace you there. If I could recall all the heartaches, dear old daddy, I caused you to bear. If I could erase those lines from your face and bring back the gold to your hair, and if God would but grant me the power to turn back the pages of time, I'd give all I own if I could be a stone to that silver-haired daddy of mine.